some strong vibes from you.
Vibes.
Yes, vibes. It actually means something quite spiritual. Not just some catchy word you youngins have turned it into. Anyway, you seem confused, disoriented. Are you lost?
Well, it's been a long time since I've seen my family.
Ah, I see.
Okay.
Yes, thank you for asking. I'm quite okay. It seems you are the one who is not at peace with your decisions.
What?
I know the path you must choose, but you still have far to go on your journey before it is done.
Can you, see the future?
No. I can predict very well, so I'm often correct. Other than that, I can sense many things. I have perfected my skill through years of meditation and staying down to earth.
Please just tell me where I am and where I need to go. I'm sure I can do some social-emotional learning on the way home.
I'm not sure you understand. How would you like to join me for some milk and cookies?
Well, it has been a while since that cat stuffed the orange in my mouth.
The cat? We really do need to talk. Now, I suppose we should talk about the cat.
Oh yeah, she invited me over for lunch. It was really nice. She must have seen my siblings teasing me.
You must understand, Cat is not your friend. Surely your parents warned you of this.
Yeah, that's what everyone says. I don't believe it. She's just misunderstood, like me.
I can't tell you what to think, but I can tell you a story. Once upon a time, a young owl who had no cares in the world wandered into the home of a young kitten. Soon this kitten would grow up to become an evil cat, but that would come much later in the story. Anyway, this owl decided that he would love to be friends with this young kitten, but the kitten had been taught to only make friends with other kittens, or else she would be banished. The owl got away, but not without many scratches. The young owl has been meditating ever since to relieve his painful past.
That's you. But that's not what happened to me. She wasn't trying to eat me. Was she?
My dear young fellow, you must learn not to trust everyone you meet. Believe me, I learned that the hard way. How would you like to hear another story? The year was 1971, when I made a dreadful mistake by befriending a boy by the name of Percy Weasley. Oh, the shame, the misery! They even gave me a stupid name. Errol, they called me.
Mr. Owl, thanks for telling me about the cat and everything, but I really should go.
Very well. However, there is something I must tell you before we part. There is something. Yes, I can see it. Your family. They're looking for you.
That can't be right. My family hates me.
I cannot explain why, but I speak the truth. At this very moment, your family searches for you. Your vibes are very strong, as I said before.
Thanks, Mr. Owl, but I should really be going. Thanks for telling me about everything. I have a lot to think about.
Very well. There is luck in your future. Farewell! Oh my God.
was searching for my son. Yeah, that one, it ain't right. I have spent weeks filling beaks, hearing daddy, 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 the press from the nest day and night. Do you know how late it is? Gee, we just lost track of time.
Yeah, Beaky's parents didn't care.
Well, I do.
Come on, Mom would have let us stay out.
Well, I'm not Mom and you're grounded.
When's Mom coming back?
I don't know, no off to bed.
But is she coming back?
I don't know.
I bet she's not even gonna find Ugly.
Kids, it really is time to rest. Seriously, go. When Ida said to go, I had to let her. Ashamed because his apron fits her better. Where's the joy of motherhood? An endless round of chores that have to be done. But if you think you've seen the back of them, you'll find in actual fact you're back at square one. There's no joy in motherhood, and if there is, it's something I just can't see. Yet Ida seems to cope with all of this. And on top of that, she puts up with me. Daddy. Now what? This time you look more familiar.
Help, please help me, I'm caught.
Who are you?
I'm Penny, please, do you think you can untangle me?
I'll try. So, Penny, are you like a duck?
Of course not, I'm a swan.
A swan.
I can't believe it. My first migration and I mess everything up.
Your first what?
Migration. The cold weather's almost here, you know, and we need to fly to warmer lands.
You're leaving?
You're a funny one with all these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Well, everyone's always called me ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. Everyone's been through that phase. You should have heard what they called me before puberty season.
They called you names?
Well, yes, it's just a phase everyone goes through. My mother always warned me of the fishing nets that people leave behind.
Same. When we were out swimming. There, you're free.
Oh, thank you. I thought I would have been left behind, and this is no place to spend a winter out alone. Wait, where's your flock?
It's been a long time since I've seen my family. I've been searching for a long time now.
Oh no, how terrible. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
You've been lost since the spring? You can't stay out here all alone. You'll freeze.
No, I'll be alright.
Penny, darling, is that you?
I'm down here. You should come with us. The others won't mind, and next spring we'll help you find your family.
I can't fly. Not well enough to go with you.
Oh, we'll help you fly at your pace.
Well, I have to find my mother. She can't be far away now.
Hey, darling, we'll be late.
I wish I didn't have to leave you here, but I really must go. Thank you. Goodbye. I'll never forget you.
Bye.
Honk.
Honk? She won't even come back. She won't remember me. She'll want nothing to do with me.
Oh. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family, should I say. I guess it depends on which way you look at.
What do you want?
Huh?
Just please, get it over with. Tell me how ugly I am.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Who am I to call you ugly? I mean, look at me, kid. See, if we're talking ugly, you can't get more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your problem is. You've been preening yourself too much.
Huh? Just please, leave me alone.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Sorry about that. I got a human in my throat. You don't got a little laughter in you, do ya? I know how you feel, Feathers, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. You know what our trouble is? Our image isn't in style. It's just a question of taste. But you mark my words, one day it'll be the two of us who are in style. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, eat silly fad will pass. Then those who sport each season's look will fall flat on their ass. Do you remember what it's called? For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone will fall for you. Though I may look a bit Jurassic, trust me, I'm a classic in my pond. If this old frog can go a wooing, tell me how to wake up call. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Somewhere out there, I can't say where, someone will care. They're gonna love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there, I can't say where, someone will fall for you. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon I'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Out
Somewhere out
there,
there,
someone's
I
gonna
can't
love
say
ya.
where,
Someone's
someone
gonna
will
love
care.
ya. Warts and all.
They're gonna love ya, warts and all.
Out
Somewhere out
there,
there,
in my
I can't say
puddle.
Oh,
Someone's
when.
gonna love ya. Though the chance is small, it's true. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon I'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all, warts and all, warts and all. I must talk, but remember, one day we'll be in style.
Thanks. If anytime you're near the duckyard, I'd love for you to meet my family.
I hope you'll find them all right. Stay warm. It's cold. Stay cheerful. See ya.
What do we have here? A nice plump little birdie. Oh yes, you like a fine Sunday roast. Now, where's that darn knife? I'll be right back, birdie.
Seems like you got yourself into a sticky situation.
It's not my fault. You're the one who tried to eat me that led me here.
Maybe you should have listened to your mother.
Now I won't even get to see her before I'm toast.
Roast duck, actually. Well, I'm feeling a bit generous today. I'll help you escape.
What's the point? You'll just eat me.
You didn't let me finish. I'll help you escape, bring you back to the duckyard so you can say a final farewell to your mother.
Well,
Then I'll eat you.
I suppose.
Birdie, I'm coming for you.
right away?
Of course, I've done this a million times.
You manipulated a lonely baby duck a million times.
I'll spare you the answer to that question.
Hello? Anyone?
Did you hear something?
No, probably just the wind. Keep moving.
Hello?
No, it's my mom. She's that way.
No, it's this way. Keep going.
No, my mom. I promise, she's that way.
Kid, that way is ice.
Ugly? Where are you? I swear he was right here. Oh no. He can't be dead. Ugly, where are you? He can't be dead.
Mom?
Ugly?
Mom, I miss you so much. I'm so scared on my own. I almost got eaten twice. And Mom, I'm a swan.
I'm so glad you found yourself. We missed you so much. Even your siblings. They felt terrible after you ran away. It was the cat, wasn't it?
Yeah, I should have listened to you.
It's not your fault. We made you feel excluded. Anyone would have fallen for it.
Hey, you're the one who saved my life. You remember me, don't you?
Of course I remember you. Penny, you're the most beautiful swan I've ever seen.
Well, look at you.
Did you know I was a swan?
Yeah, that's why I asked you to come with us. The offer still stands, you know. Wouldn't it be nice to learn the ways of a swan?
Can my mom come too?
Dear, I can't come. I'm not a swan, and my life is here in the duckyard. You should go, though.
Well, I don't want to leave you. I just found you. I don't want to leave you again.
Birds of a feather flock together. Visit soon. I will really miss him.
Boo! Boo! Ah! What, you thought I'd leave you again?
I thought you went with the swans. You belong with them, not me.
I don't care whose egg I was born from. All that matters is that you raised me, even if it was only for 30 minutes. Penny's saying too. Don't you think it would be nice to have some diversity?
It will be wonderful.
I've been different all my life and I've learned to embrace it. I love my honk and I love being different.
You certainly are. Now, we gotta go. I can't wait to see your father's reaction.
Wait, there's still one thing I have to do.
Lucky? Swanee! Oh, I love you! Oh, I love you! I love that song. Now we really ought to get going. Let's go. Who's this fella?
Wait a second. Ugly?
Hi, Dad.
Look at you. You're a mighty fine swan. I always knew you'd turn out all right.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Look at him. Have you ever seen a finer bird? Hark at him, 'cause his honking is the best we've heard. We're feeling rather small in this whole shebang. Maybe you'll forgive us all, and we hope with enough stuff so lead our gang.
Of course I forgive you, and I'd like to introduce you to my veggie special friend. This is Penny.
Hi.
Yo, homie. Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Why did we ever think him a dud?
I always knew that my family was blessed with swan-like blood.
We're all so proud of you, Ugly. Here's a gift.
Its name is Poopy.
Look at him, look at him.
All
On the thunder of a noble swan, and we've got him as a son. Look at him. From a duckling to a paragon, you won't swap him for another. Now that you're back on the lake, promise you won't leave. Your example's there to take. Just believe in yourself. Don't be left on the shelf, feeling that all hope is dead and gone.
Yeah, do that here. That was really fun.